Hi, grade four. Hi, grade four. Today we're going to be talking about practicing with money. So we have our price list here. So a baseball is $2.97, a bat is $14.75, and a baseball glove is $55.59. So we're going to start off with estimating the cost of 5 baseballs. So just like how we did yesterday or last time when we estimated the decimals, we're going to do the same thing. So our baseball is cost $2.97. So we're going to look at the digit in the 10th place value, which is 9. And 9, does that round up or does that round down? So 9 rounds up. So that means it wouldn't be $2, it would round up to $3. So, and we want to see 5 baseballs, so we're going to do times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. And we're going to make sure we put our dollar sign in front, otherwise our answer is wrong. So the estimated cost of 5 baseballs is $15. Now let's find the exact cost of 7 bats. So a baseball bat is $14.75, and we're going to times that by 7. So 7 times 5 is 35, so 5 below, 3 on top. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 52, so 2 goes below and the 5 on top of the 4. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 5 is 33, so 3 goes to the bottom, 3 goes on top. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So then we're going to make sure we put our decimal point in line with the other decimal point, so it's after the 3 before the 2. And then we make sure we put our dollar sign in, otherwise our answer is incorrect. So it's $103.25 for 7 baseball bats. Now we're going to find the total cost of 15 baseballs and 12 gloves. So a baseball is $2.97, and we want 15 of them, so we're going to multiply by 15. So 5 times 7 is 35, 5 below, 3 on top. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 3 is 48. 8 goes at the bottom, 4 goes on top. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Now we're going to move on to doing the tens multiplication here. So we put a 0 down below because it holds the place value. And then 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. And then we are going to add these numbers together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 5 goes below, 1 goes above the 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 9 is 14. So 4 goes below, the 1 goes on top of the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. And then we make sure we put in our decimal point between the 4 and the 5, so it lines up with the $2.97. And then we put in our dollar sign, otherwise it is incorrect. Always make sure your dollar sign is there. So 15 baseballs would cost $44.55. Now we have to figure out how much the 12 gloves would cost. So each baseball glove costs $55.59. So we're going to multiply that by 12. So 2 times 9 is 18, 8 goes below, 1 goes above. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so 1 below, 1 above the 5. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, 1 below, 1 above the 5. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so we put the 11 below there. Now we're going to move on by multiplying by 10, so we put a 0 down below for holding the place value. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 5 is 5. Now we are going to add these numbers together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 9 is 10, so 0 goes below, 1 goes above the other one. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. And we're going to add in our decimal point lined up with the top, $55.59. So it would go after the 7 and before the 0, and then we make sure we put our dollar sign in front, otherwise it is incorrect. So it's $667.08. So now we figured out how much the 15 baseballs cost by themselves and the 12 gloves cost by themselves. Now we have to figure out the total cost of the two of them together. So we're going to add our answers. So we're going to add $667.08 plus $44.55. So 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 goes below, 1 goes above. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11, so 1 goes below, 1 goes above the 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11, so 1 goes below, 1 goes above the 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So we'll make sure we line up our decimal point in our answer. So go after the 1, after the 1 and before the 6, and then we put our dollar sign in front. So the total cost of 15 baseballs and 12 baseball gloves would be $711.63. All right, grade 4, that's all I have for you today. Bye.